Hello everyone, this is a review of the Mystery Stick by TCC Magic and Jimmy Fan. You may also know it as the Pom Pom Stick Illusion. As with most TCC products, you'll find the tutorial link conveniently placed on the underside of the lid. And here it is, the Mystery Stick. TCC has crafted a close-up brass version with plastic beads. They've even included some extra replacement strings, as these tend to wear out over time. As you can see, parts of the string have already worn out on my set. Typically, these come with different colored pom-poms, but this one opts for more elegant looking beads. Personally, I would have preferred that the beads were of different color for the traditional presentation, but this is just a matter of personal preference. This close-up version features a brass rod measuring 13.5 cm in length, with 4 beads attached to each end. One of the beads hangs from a long cord, while the other hangs on a short cord. When you pull a bead on one side, this side goes up. But when you pull this side, this one goes up. By repeating this process in various combinations, it creates the illusion that all the beads are connected. However, when you split the rod in half, you discover that there's no connection in the center. Initially, the tube can be quite tight, but after a few separations, it now separates easily. Personally, I wasn't a fan of the design choice for the pointy ends. They are not sharp, but they can dig into your hand sometimes. However, after a while, you tend to overlook it. But you still might want to carry it separately, as it might dig into your clothing. The brass tube will develop a patina over time, which may make the seam look more visible. On the positive side, it's nice that they machine one side to be longer and narrower, so that it fits inside the other tube, giving it a smooth surface on the outside. The tutorial runs for about 14 minutes. In the first 6 minutes, you'll learn all about the effect. The rest of the tutorial focuses on replacing the thread in case it breaks or wears out. Some users have experienced the string sticking and not freely moving up and down when pulled on the same side. This is just due to the mechanics of how it works. Give it a good thug and it should line up once it breaks in. The tutorial also teaches you how to reset it as part of the performance, but I must admit it can be quite difficult to do inconspicuously. Even Chris Ramsey faces the same challenge in his video. I have realized that you can actually split the stick apart while one string is long and the other is short. And guess what? It still works the same way. And it also becomes much easier to reconnect. Just make sure that the short string is on the long part of the tube. The Mystery Stick is available for $50 on TCC's website. Although I have mentioned several issues, none of them are deal breakers. It is important to note that the Mystery Stick is more of a puzzle than a magic effect. So you will need a good presentation to go along with it. However, as a classic collector's piece, it being brass, this will last a very long time. As of filming this video, the channel is now at 750 subscribers. Thank you very much, and we are 3/4 of the way to 1000 subscribers. If you enjoy these videos and have a passion for magic, please consider subscribing. Check out the other reviews I have on the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.